The essence of life cannot be seen, for it is beyond form. It cannot be heard, for it is beyond sound. It cannot be held, for it is formless. Thus, it is intangible and indefinable. The essence of life is not bright above, nor is it dark below. Without the distinction of sight, sound, or form, it exists as the blended oneness of non-being, or the invisible potential from which all arises. As nothingness, how can it be named? Yet some will call it the form of formlessness, or the image of no image. Without the limitation of thought, it has no beginning nor ending. Experience it as the present moment. Embrace the mystery of that which has no beginning. Ancient ones who knew the way were mysterious, subtle, and responsive. Their knowledge was so profound that one can only describe their appearance. For example, they were watchful, as though crossing an iced stream, hesitant, as though respecting different points of view, courteous, like a humble guest, fluid and yielding, like melting ice, simple and shapeable, like uncut wood, open and receptive, like a valley, and clear, like a calm pond. Lao Tzu asks, to gain subtle power, can you be patient until the troubled waters of the mind settle and become clear? Can you remain peaceful and still until the time for right action appears? Evolved ones act with a subtlety that does not cause resistance. Observers of the way do not seek fulfillment, and thus they are not swayed by the perpetual desire for change. When not focused on self, one can become a stabilizing force in the community. When not focused on one's personal advantages, one can guide others with greater clarity and thus help bring about cooperation.